Now, Nagin, when you're working with a team in a situation that tense and complex, what advice do you have for others that are leading a team undertaking an unbelievably difficult task?
One of the things that is an amazing coincidence in life is the day that we name our rovers and our helicopters and our various spacecraft. And the way we name them is we have essay contests, and any student from kindergarten to high school, sometimes worldwide, often it's just in the United States, can submit an essay. And we selected the winning essay. I've been part of the judging in the past, but in this case, the day that the name of the latest rover was announced was also one of the last days the team was together before the pandemic.
Mm.
And the name of the rover was Perseverance. And little did we know, no joke, that 2 days later, the world was going to shut down and that our name would come to mean so much more. We think of perseverance as something that is a part of all earthly life, and it is. And at that point, one of the first things we had to decide was were we going to do it anyway? We were supposed to launch in July of 2020, and this planet shut down in March of 2020. Some of our fellow space agencies decided to persevere and try to launch because you launch to Mars every 2 years. That's when the Earth and Mars are at their closest point. So were we going to wait 2 more years, or were we going to try to do it anyway, to find a way? Engineering is about problem solving. And this was brand new territory. So, like anything else, teams that are doing something incredibly complex, or even teams that are doing something that is an addition to what they've done before, or is a bit more manageable, the process is the same. Get together, think about the problem, and then just start one step at a time. You just begin and you say you're going to keep solving problems one step at a time. And that's what we did. But the together part is key. Very few of the problems facing the world today are solved by one person sitting alone in their cubicle or in their office and thinking. It's groups of people coming together, sharing their skills, and saying, how are we going to tackle this problem, even if it's something as brand new as trying to launch to Mars in a pandemic.
Going farther together.